Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video where I'm recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, last few days I was busy with my work, so not able to post videos. But one thing was that on Friday, my trade was in a losing one. I ended at around 9:29. So here at this candle close, I entered. My view was that actually this kind of a pattern normally it gives a reversal and go till the blue zone, so that in that perspective I ended the trade. So what mistake I did was that I did not wait for the retest and the confirmation. So anyway, I lost that trade. Again I took one more that also went into loss, and one more I tried, it went into loss. But one mistake, a big mistake I made on that day, that was that I was pretty sure for expecting for a reversal, but here at the green zone. So I took a call option, expecting it to go up. So I was planning to carry forward that trade to the next day because I was bit bullish for that day. But unfortunately, that hit the stop loss at the day end. So I lost somewhat a good amount of money over there, and that had impacted my mental stability. So next day I planned not to take any trade, but there also I was not able to keep my track. So that day I was expecting to take a profit. So initial trade was in a good profit, but later on, next trade I took a random trade because I did not have any emotional control. So like that, I took many trades, and that day a small loss was that around 1,000 rupees. So overall, this was a huge loss day, and this was a small loss day. And previously also 2 or 3 days I was in a losing streak. So I was going through a big drawdown these days. But my views were almost good, but that emotional discipline was not there. That is why I failed those days. So this day also my view was that this was a trap, and I could have easily taken that trade and got my target well over there. And as expected, that day it was in a closing at a higher. So I lost. So I took just a break. I analyzed my trade and understood my mistake. And I have for today's trade, I had done a homework. So I studied many graph patterns. However, a day after the expiry behaves. So one pattern which I studied was that what was the trend on that day, that trend somewhat continue on the next day. So here it was kind of a neutral kind of a day with the up move. So I was expecting it to go uptrend, and one range also I had marked in that. Because this was a range from here till here was I was expecting the market to move, because that was a um, somewhat kind of a neutral movement. From here you can see from this level till this level, market was going in a neutral kind of a way. So that was my view for day trading. So this time what I did was that I one thing I decided, I'll just wait patiently, and only when the trend is confirmed I will enter a trade. So here there was a good chance to take a trade, but I did not enter. So here it indicated that it don't have much strength to go till the higher level. So uh, I just waited how market is going to behave at those levels, and exactly market reversed from there. And you can see it came down. So my expectation was that it need to come till this blue zone. So I just waited. So here seeing this W pattern, I could have entered a trade. But since those levels were not there, I did not enter. So again, it went there, it retested. So here what I thought was that it is going to go down. So one more retest, I tried waiting. So here exactly I took the trade. So I can show you at what time I entered. Here you can see at around 12:19, I entered the trade. 12:19 is this candle. 15. So this candle close, I ended the trade. But market was choppy. It was going on a somewhat a neutral kind of movement. So I ended it around 99 rupees. But suddenly I got this hype and it went till there. So around 40 points means the market rallied almost around 139 from 99. So around 40 points it rallied. So I had kept the target of 139, but it came up till 137. So what I did was that this level I know it is going to reverse or it will come down. So I just kept the I don't want to lose that trade because previous days were losing. So I kept a stop loss at around 170. So that stop loss was hit. And seeing this one, so here this pattern is very similar. It got a reversal from there. So our view was neutral because that range it has to offset. So once this retest, again I had a intention of taking a trade, but I did not do because I plan to take only one trade. So I want to keep my discipline. So overall it was a good day. But coming to my dashboard, it has entirely ruined because last 4 days from January 19 till yesterday, it was a big losing days. So you can see drawdown, everything is gone beyond my limit. So my capital also, it has gone to a negative one. Anyway, no issue. This is just a learning curve. So I will come back and one day I'll be successful. So last December, I doubled my capital, but January I had lost my whatever gain I had on that. Anyway, I'll track my progress and I'll keep posting. So that's it from my side. Thank you.